Hi, I'm Rachel Chamness with SoundWavesHeal.com. Today I'm going to talk about Solfeggio Tone 285 and give you a liquid Reiki sound healing for healing with this solfeggio tone. So hi and welcome. Today I'm talking about 285. So I did do a whole blog post and video on solfeggio tones in general and how they help and heal. And as part of that, I wanted to do a video on each tone that I use in my sessions. So today we're talking about 285. So what does a solfeggio tone 285 heal? It helps restructure and rebuild damaged tissues and organs. So this is a really helpful tone for healing you from sickness or just from any kind of DNA or damage that you might have in your body that needs healing, which could happen to anyone. It's also great for healing physical wounds, mental wounds, emotional and spiritual wounds. So this fork is literally a lifesaver for every person, because just think about all these wounds that we carry that we're always working on healing. This tone can help you a lot. Also, 285 can help ground your energy. So grounding your energy is so important. And as a teacher of mediumship, I often really preach this to my clients and my students. Even though you are connecting on a high plane or a higher frequency or dimension, you still have to be grounded, because that will keep everything flowing. If you're not grounded, it's going to be very hard to connect to a higher frequency. So it is really important. Now I'd like to give you a healing with liquid Reiki sound healing, which is what I call my modality. It is a mixture of channeled healing and messages, along with light language and Reiki. So we'll use the 285 hertz. I do buy my tuning forks from Jonathan Goldman. He has some beautiful tuning forks. They are at a very good price, and I highly recommend them. So here we go. This will be for healing in general, healing your body, healing any wounds that you have that you are working on. So if you want to bring one forth now to be healed, something emotional, spiritual, physical, or mental, whatever it is that you feel you need help with, you can set that intention now as I begin. Ay, ay, oh, na, 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 hey, oh, ay, na, katusodi, alay, oh, oh, natatari, ay, anay, Odiono, ayana, toskudi, alaye, anno, yada, yaye, ananaso, ayana, ayo, ay. I hope that you enjoyed that. I would love to hear in the comments below if you felt anything, and if later something occurs to you, you can always come back. I would like you to know that you too can learn to use light language, which is the majority of the psychic sound healing that I bring through, by taking my light language class. So I'll put the link below, and I'd love to see you in my next light language class, either part 1, which is the attunement to light language in 6 different ways, or part 2, which is how to use light language to make sigils and how to use light language numbers. So thanks so much for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And I'd love to see you next time. Thanks for coming.